Alright, so how you doing? So what I'm going to do today is 4 very simple, easy, cheap, quick recipes with eggs. We're going to start off with this beautiful egg curry. Takes no time at all. We're going to do an egg salad with a pesto mayo. We're going to do a kind of shakshuka type scrambled eggs with some lovely spices, and a quick scrambled egg with tomatoes and tuna, I think. But yeah, really quick, nice and easy, not mucking about. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so nice easy egg curry. 4 eggs hard boiled, 1 cup of potatoes cut nice and small, 1 onion, 1 tomato, try and use a nice ripe tomato, dice that up, pint of coconut milk, tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two, fresh chili, as you like really, up to you how much you want to put, and then 1 teaspoon of what I always call the big 4, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and chili powder. If you don't have those, just use 4 teaspoons of curry powder. Let's go. So you're going to need a wok or a pot or a pan or something. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. Coconut oil might be nice. Mustard oil could be good. Let's drop in that 1 cup of potatoes that I've cut nice and small. And cut them small because otherwise it's going to take ages to cook. They're nice small in the mix as well. Okay, about 4 minutes on a medium heat. Throw them around, give these a nice head start. So still a little bit hard, but they're on their way. Let's now grab that 1 onion, or just a little bit of onion. I've sliced mine, again if you want, cut it small. We're going to add the garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add the fresh chili and the tomato. I want to cook this for about 5 minutes. Really want those tomatoes to break down a little bit. While I'm here, some salt in the mix. Yeah, I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Keep it moving. That's looking fantastic. What we're going to do now is we're going to add our spices. We can take one more look there. Teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander, or if you want a curry powder mix that you've got. We're now going to get our coconut milk. We're going to pour that in. That's 1 pint. We're going to get our 4 eggs. In they go. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer but above. We're going to let that go for about 5 or 6 minutes. That will thicken up nicely. Beautiful. Job done. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at that. Thickened beautifully. Beautiful that is. Right, check it for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Let me get that on a plate. And there you go, absolutely wonderful. I've just decorated that with some dried chilies. You might want to put some chopped cilantro or coriander on that. Really, really simple, beautiful egg curry. Okay, let's get on with this one. We're going to do tuna with eggs and tomato. Okay, so 3 eggs, 1 can of tuna, you know, a kind of regular round stubby one, 1 tomato, a couple of teaspoons of garlic, teaspoon there of cumin, teaspoon chili powder, tiny amount of onion. What's that, 2 tablespoons? Let's get moving. Okay, just above medium heat, just put that on. In there I've got some olive oil. You could use a different oil, of course, if you wanted. Just drop that little bit of onion in, a little bit of garlic. While we're here, let's get some salt and black pepper in. Nice big pinch of that. Let's just go for 2 minutes above medium heat. Okay, let's drop in that 1 tomato. Now, want to go for about 4 minutes or so, 4 or 5 minutes. You really want to cook those tomatoes down. So give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful, you see those tomatoes are starting to break up. We're going to drop in that little bit of cumin and chili powder. And of course, if you want, you could substitute that with something that you like, if you don't like those guys. We're going to go in with our tuna. That kind of can I meant, you know what I mean? So it's 120 grams drained, 170 grams roughly with the liquid in. 2 minutes, nearly done. Fantastic. Now 3 eggs, I'm not even going to beat them, they're just going to go straight in. You can do that with our spoon. I like my eggs fairly well done. You do them exactly how you want. I'll be back in maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Off goes the heat. That's kind of where I like my eggs. Beautiful. Steaming hot, quick, easy, tasty, beautiful. Bit of a classic here, egg fried rice. Let's get on with it. Okay, egg fried rice, nice and easy. What we've got there is some cooked basmati rice. Now, what I find best is cold rice. Cold rice always fries better than hot or warm rice. I cooked that yesterday, it's been in my refrigerator. 4 eggs, 1 cup of garden peas, they're frozen, half a cup of onion, cut quite small, tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then a tablespoon each of soy sauce. I'm using a light one, use dark if you want, and oyster sauce. Marvelous. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a frying pan or a skillet or something, you know. I've got this fella here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use corn oil, canola, whatever you like. Let's start off by dropping in a little bit of onion, tablespoon of garlic, and a nice big pinch of black pepper. No salt. We're not adding salt because we've got the soy and the oyster sauce, and they're quite salty themselves. High heat. See you in 3 minutes. Okay, that's just been a 2 or 3 minutes there. Perfect. Now we're going to add the peas, frozen peas. You can do them straight from frozen if you want, or give them a little wash in some water, rinse them out first. 2 more minutes. We're well on our way. Super easy. Next up, cold rice. Now I've got about 3 or 4 cups in volume of cooked rice. What we want to do is stay on a high heat, and we really need to fry the rice. Some people, you know, they fry their rice for 1 minute. You need to go 5 minutes or so. If you get any browning or a little bit of blackening on it, that's fabulous. So that's about 5 minutes. You really need to fry your rice. Okay, you saw me beat the eggs, the 4 eggs. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the soy sauce, a tablespoon of the oyster sauce. Quick little mix. Now, stay on a high heat. As you can see, I'm moving this rice to one side. Drop your egg in. Then we're going to cook that egg to how you want it. I like mine fairly well done. So just sort of mix it around in there. Once it's at the point where you like it, And like I say, for me, fairly well done. We're then going to mix it in. That's about right. Let's go. Now if you wanted, you could add some chili in here or something like that. I'm keeping this one nice and simple. That is beautiful. Off goes the heat. I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of green onion, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Beautiful, nice and easy, super tasty egg fried rice. And there you go. Really, really easy, super tasty, super lovely egg fried rice. So next up, what we're going to do is we're going to do an egg salad. So you're going to need 4 hard-boiled eggs. We're going to make a really quick little salad with it. Get our eggs on the top, and we're going to make a really easy pesto mayo. So easy. Okay, so for this one, we're going to need 4 hard-boiled eggs. So get them ready. What we're going to do is make a little bit of salad, like a nice little bed. I've got some lettuce there. I've got a little bit of bell pepper, yellow and green. Some olives. I've kept the stones in those, take them out if you want. A little bit of chopped onion, maybe just, 2 tablespoons, something like that. Some cherry tomatoes. Cucumber, roughly equal parts. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Like a tablespoon of lemon juice. And about 2 or 3 tablespoons of a nice quality olive oil. Simply, we're going to give that a mix, then that's our bed of salad for our eggs. So you can see that I've plated up our salad, mixed salad, cut my eggs in half and placed them on the top. Now, I've got 2 tablespoons here of mayo. I've got 1 teaspoon of green pesto. Gonna pop that in, give it a little mix. And then simply what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this lovely little pesto mayo on top. And we've done it. Nice, easy, simple salad. Beautiful. Job done. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really, really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is a Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.